Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So yeah, let's talk about hot-aid mining. Today, another 5.71% up to now. And yeah, it's very nice, right? So we can see that, the miners are outperforming Bitcoin, because if I count that the lower low of hot was in January, early January this year, and I take the higher high it did up to now this year, we went up 442%. Now for sure you're going to tell me, yeah, but now we're lower. So what's the price now? Price action, if you actually manage to time to buy at the bottom, you're still today up 206%. So don't tell me it was a bad investment, but for sure it's more fragile. And are we going to make a new higher high? Let's not, it's not because we did something great last cycle that we're going to do that again. And yeah, honestly, I wanted to check, because since the beginning of of this cycle, let's say, we from the top, right, we went so much high. We went, at $20, even past $20. But today we are at $3.39. So if I check with today price, we are still down 83%. Now, if I go and I do the same thing with Bitcoin, and I think you know where I'm going with that, right? So I just want us to maybe lower our expectation, and I'm going to take what I believe that this is the wave 1, and this is A, B, C, right? So I'm going to take the top of wave 1 and today price. You can see we do have a gap here. We're still low 46%, while with the miners, with hot, we are down 83%. So we're not catching up as fast as Bitcoin. And what is that? Why is that? Is because, I think we're open, 20% of the time, because we barely are open 7 hours per day from 9:30 to 4. And then weekends are closed. So our chart, it's like broken up a little bit, because we're missing pieces, we're missing time, because Bitcoin, it doesn't rest, and hot and the stock, they do sleep quite often, right? So we need to be aware of that, because yes, it goes high, but it didn't go that fast high compared to the bigger cycle. Yes, it did amazing comparing to Bitcoin since this year, but I just want to emphasize on that. So don't put all your money into hot, So maybe it should be less than 10% for sure, because you don't know what can happen. Even though I'm very positive on hot-aid mining, but I wouldn't put all my money in. Diversification is key. And once again, shares have climbed more than 21% over the last 5 days, as the proud Bitcoin raise, blah, blah, blah. This mining based in Alberta, Canada. According to the company, hot-aid mining has one of the highest installed capacity rates in the industry and holds more than self-mined Bitcoin than any other miner or public traded company globally. Well, I guess they're not talking about MicroStrategy. I think they have 9,300 something Bitcoin, so that's amazing. So I am fully bullish, full bull on hot-aid mining, but just let's, with moderation still, right? I wouldn't put all my money, so be careful about that. Also, as you can see, I was saying 1, 2, maybe this is the third one. We back off too much, so I would say this is another 1, and this is a 2. This now has to go 3, but now the problem is Bitcoin is stalling. So if we keep going higher, then that's going to be amazing. Otherwise, you know, it can still be possible that if Bitcoin lose, I don't know, 10%, we go down 30, we make a local, you know, if we reach a lower low way below the 0.886, then we're going to invalidate discount. So it's going to be, so it's still fragile, okay? Just want to let you know that before, yeah, everything. So I would just want to know the main message here. It's like, yes, it's doing very great for a moment, but very risky zone still yet. So we're not out of the woods, and play it safe. All right. So this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.